Hello, today we are drawing an earthworm. Like in the other video we just drew a worm, but this is an earthworm, special. So first we do the outline, thin, like that, and okay. Then we do this part, it's like a bandage. Just make it the sides curved. Then we do many lines. Small, close to each other. Okay? The other side, and then here. Okay, next we are going to use pink, light pink. Then we are going to color it in, like that. Okay. Just a second. Then for the bandage, we're going to press hard a bit. Okay, there we've drew our earthworm. Bye-bye.